Rocket Lab is skyrocketing to the moon, literally in 2025. Rocket Lab up 24%. Wow, wow, wow. Bowser, wowzer. What is happening, folks? Is this the time to get going? Is this the next stock that's going to go bombastic? Well, time to find out. This stock is really, really flying. Over 400% in the last year. They are rolling in it if you were an investor. Congratulations to you. This is another stock I do not own. I wish I did, but I just did not see the fundamentals, and maybe potentially still don't see the fundamentals. But hey, that can change, and it doesn't matter about how smart you are in the stock market. It just means you're in the right stock at the right time. Well, if you were in Rocket Lab in the last year also, congratulations to you, because Rocket Lab is flying to the moon. Yes, absolutely. Rocket Lab is going well for you folks out there who are onto it. Welcome to Barry Charles. If you don't know me, this is the channel for finance. Everything you need to know about finance, you come right here, right now, and I give you everything on the stock market mainly. But let's get to it. Rocket Lab, is it too late to invest, folks, or can you get in and make some moolah? This is just the beginning. Is it going to fly high? Well, in this show, you're going to learn how this company potentially continue to skyrocket for you. Could skyrocket all the way to the moon. We're going to do a deep dive stock analysis. We're going to look at revenue. We're going to look at net profit. We're going to look at return on invested capital. We're going to look at everything to see where this company is. Is it profitable? Are they at a loss? We're going to do it all here for you. So just remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll do great things for us. But let's get to it. Yes, what is happening? Why? In the last few months, is this stock just absolutely going up and up and up and up? Well, I'll tell you right now. And if you stay to the end of the video, I will give you the intrinsic value, possibly, of this company for you to look at investing into. Not financial advice. Do your own research before you invest into any stock. Yes, well, why is this company just going boom, boom, boom? Just continues to head towards $30. The financials are not looking great, to be honest, and we're going to look at that soon. But to be honest, why is this company going well? Well, why the hoopla at the moment is it's number two stock, number two space-related stock in terms of launches. The only launch behind the SpaceX is number one, but they are number two in this category. They've gone up 67% in launches with their Electron rockets, and very impressive to see. At about, I think, yeah, they've had the second most launches, and it was 20 something. I can't remember exact figures, but they've gone to number two. So very exciting for Rocket Lab investors and potential investors into the future. Can they continue on this winning way? What are some other possibilities why this is going up? The profitability into the future. Sales of satellite parts, like reaction wheels, have seen an increase lately. Can this continue? As they sell carbon composite products as well to their customers is also in the pipeline, as well as new medium lifts products, vehicles that are expected to help drive up the wealth in 2025 to profitability potentially. Government subsidies have come in from the US government, so that's very good for them. Yeah, but yes, it's interesting. But to me, what do I see is the catalyst for change? Well, at the start of 2024, they had the military satellite project of $515 where they were the primary contractor for, so congratulations to them there. And I think we're starting to see the fruits of that labor right here, right now. Can Rocket Lab continue to integrate rockets and satellites launching together to more and more customers? Why people are getting excited, folks out there? $103 billion, or 100 over, oh sorry, 100, 1 billion customers revenue is backlogged for this company, so they are ready to pounce and make money, and so people are getting excited about Rocket Lab. But does the money actually transpire to what's actually happening in the real world with Rocket Lab right now? Is the $30 right for a non-profitable company? Well, let's have a look at a stock analysis of Rocket Lab for you right now on the channel here at Barry Charles. we're going to start off with the 52-week high. Yes, 52-week high out there, folks. Of, well, yeah, this is the low range of $3.47. Well done to you if you're at $3.47, because you 10x'd it from there. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful stuff. Absolutely flying off the chain. If you bought them, we're just about flying at the moment. Absolutely do some good things for you if you got into Rocket Lab. It's going very well for you. Not a 10x, sorry, by 400%. It's very good stuff. Going very. What do I see now? With the earnings per share minus 0.26, no good. No PE ratio, obviously, because they're not making any money at the moment for you folks out there. Short interest of 10%, a market cap of $14.3 billion. Return on invested capital, no good, minus 32%. So every dollar put in, you're only getting 68 cents back. Well, that is not good enough. And a lot of work to be done there for Rocket Labs to continue on their merry way. So yeah, they're letting you down there, that is for sure. In terms of their negative free cash flow as well, so that's not good for you at all there, folks. And shares outstanding, they continue to just go up and up and up and up. It's no good for you as the investor. Revenue of $370 million, up from $246 million from the year before. Fantastic. Positives there. The quarterly revenue is mixture, well, similar, 1.48 and then 106. So not great in terms of it's gone down in the last quarter, but in terms of the year before, it's up 80%. So can't complain. If you're looking at quarterly figures here, the net income at the moment is just loss. Just losing money by the trainloads at the moment. So yeah, to me, it's just not a outstanding company to really look at it at the moment in terms of investing into. They're losing a lot of money. I just can't see them being a good investment for you guys out there. But the stock has soared up 400%, so that is the positives out there. Total assets 69 million, so they're doing very well there. So that's going up, but total liabilities is also going up. So that's the question mark you got to have there, is total liabilities going up. Sorry, 695 million. But total liabilities is up to 269 million from 223 million the year before. So not good in terms of that. So interesting to see how that plays out going into the future. Well, now we're going to check out what you've all been here for, is the intrinsic value. What is the potential intrinsic value of Rocket Lab right here, right now? We're going to do a bear case, base case, optimal case, extraordinary case, and out of this world case. We're going to do that right here, right now for you on the channel. So yes, this is Graham's calculator that calculates the current share price with the earnings per share, expected growth rate, bond yield, and which gives you the intrinsic value, a simple calculator, which from there you can add up to get your price up or lower depending on what you believe in. So yeah, let's have a look at the bear case and what it's currently at, is negative 0.26. With expected 10% growth rate, you're looking at minus $7.70 at the current share price, around $29. So minus 7.7, not an investment for you at the moment. Base case, getting to profitability now, 0.5 at 10%, you're looking at $14.90. So still way below. Now they start going to optimal, you're looking at a 1%, 29 and 15% growth rate from the 29 current share price. And then you're looking at $40. Now you're starting to go, yes, this is interesting. We're starting to go a bit more higher into the extraordinary case at 2 earnings per share. Now at 29 at 20% growth rate, and then $101, folks. So yeah, if you think that's the future, you probably buy the stock all day. If you think it's going to fly to the moon at 3 and at 20, yeah, at 3 and stay at roughly the same expected growth rate, well then you're looking at $151, folks. So That's where we're at the moment with Rocket Lab. What do I see? There's a lot of priced in movement right here, right now, and a more of an optimal, out of this world case at the moment. It's way overvalued for what it's worth. Doesn't mean it won't be overvalued in the future, potentially not. But with some of these stocks, if you can get in early enough at the right time, then you can weep the rewards into the future. I think at the moment you'll be weeping your rewards to the toilet at the moment. It doesn't mean that the stock can't go to 100, but at what it's doing currently, it's not even worth even looking at. But if you think the potential is there, invest all day. But that's not my advice. That's up to you. Well, that is Rocket Lab. Look at a bit of what's happening in the world, in the space world. If you like the video, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video for you very shortly on the channel.